Good morning, student. In this part of the video, I will explain you about contour line in detail. So here, what is contour interval and what is contour distance? So as you know, contour are those lines which connect the point having the same altitude above a chosen reference level. So if it is a contour line and here is a hill, suppose we have taken this point to make contour line, and next we will take this point. So the difference of this vertical distance आफ्टर मीन्स हमने कितने डिस्टेंस के बाद दूसरा कॉन्टूर बनाना है, इस वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस को ही कहते हैं कॉन्टूर इंटरवल. So this line will join like this line will join like this, forming a contour. So this vertical distance is known as contour interval. And what is the contour distance? Contour distance is like this. After one contour, what is the difference between these two contours? The more the distance will be, this show that the area is the area is having gentle slope, and the close the contour will be, this will be show that the area has higher slope, steep slope. Auxiliary contour line. If we have contour line like this, there is a distance in these two contour lines, so we can draw an imaginary contour line like this. So this dotted contour line will be known as auxiliary contour line, and we made this line to examine the area easily. And after every contour line, there will be a bold contour line. मीन्स हर contour line 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 after any number of contour line, there will be a bold contour line, and this bold contour line will be known as index contour. So this is known as dotted contour line is known as auxiliary contour, and bold contour line will be known as index contour line. Contour line values. Every contour line has its value, like it's representing 2 meter, it's representing 400 meter. So every contour line will be denoted by the height. So this is known as contour line values. Generalization of contour line. Contour line cannot be overcrossed each other. Means if here is contour line and here is another contour line, they can't intersect each other like this, except overlapping rift. Means a landform having a structure like this. In this type of landform, contour can intersect each other, but and in other cases contour line can't intersect each other. And contour line should be made smoothly. लाइक contour लाइन को इतना ज़्यादा घुमा फिरा के नहीं बना करके स्मूथली बनाना चाहिए, सो दैट ईजिली वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई. And where there is so many hills and so many valleys, so we should we should skip small valleys and we should take higher valleys, जहाँ पर बहुत सारी वैलीज़ और हिल हो, तो उन सब को ना ड्रॉ करके, उन सब के कॉन्टूर ना ड्रॉ करके हमें कुछ सेलेक्टेड वैलीज़ और हिल ले लेना चाहिए और उसके कॉन्टूर मैप में रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहिए. अब now we will discuss how contour line are drawn of different feature. Like here is mountain, and this has been given the this is showing the contour line of mountain, and here you see that slope is steeper and here is gentle, so their contour are closed and there is a distance in contour. मीन्स जितना ज़्यादा किसी लैंडफॉर्म के स्टीप में, किसी लैंडफॉर्म के स्लोप में स्टीप होगा उतना ज़्यादा कॉन्टूर क्लोजली होंगे, और जितना ज़्यादा स्लोप जेंटल होगा उतना ज़्यादा कॉन्टूर डिस्टेंस पे होंगे. प्लेट्यू इन द मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द प्लेट्यू इज़ कम्प्लीटली फ्लैट. सो प्लेट्यू के मिडल पार्ट में कोई कॉन्टूर नहीं ड्रॉ कर पाते हम लोग, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हाइट का एलिवेशन नहीं होता है. वी ड्रॉ कॉन्टूर इन इट्स साइड पार्ट, इसके साइड के पार्ट की हम कॉन्टूर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, और ये प्लेट्यू की कॉन्टूर लाइन जब ड्रॉ होती है तो ये यू शेप फॉर्म करती है. A ridge, you know ridge, what is ridge? Ridge is a area among two hill like this part is known as ridge. And in here the contour of ridge is drawn like this. Convex slope, where slope is not too steep, in that type of landform contour line will be drawn like this. And concave slab, in concave slab contour will be drawn like this. In here is too much distance in each and every contour. So in this, in the next part of the video I will explain you about settlement pattern, and here I am closing. Thank you.